Kimberly with Tiger Nuts USA, and today I'm going to show you how to make a basic Tiger Nuts vinaigrette. So this particular vinaigrette, it's not only vegetarian and vegan, it's organic, using organic ingredients, especially the tiger nuts, and it's also paleo friendly and keto friendly. As for AIP, the anti-inflammatory protocol, this is a dressing that you could eliminate the black pepper I'm going to use. The black pepper is something that ends up being reintroduced into your diet after a little while on the AIP diet. So if it's something that aggravates your system, don't use the pepper. So I'm using tiger nuts, and if you've never heard of tiger nuts before, they're not nuts at all. They're little tubers that grow under the ground like potatoes or carrots, and they look like little wrinkly chickpeas. There you go. They're vegetarian, vegan, organic, non-GMO. They're great for most diets: vegetarian, vegan, paleo, Whole30, raw food, the keto and AIP diet as well. They have a prebiotic fiber and a resistant starch, which is great for weight loss. That all being said, I'm using a tiger nuts oil tonight from TigerNutsUSA.com. This is their raw, premium, organic tiger nuts first press extra virgin oil. Say that 10 times fast, but it's fabulous. Not only that, it's a very neutral palate, so you can use it for sweet or savory dishes, any kind of recipe, in fact. I'm using a basic vinaigrette ratio: 1 part vinegar or something tangy, 3 parts oil. Okay, so let's get started. Tonight I have a beautiful salad I've already made, and I'm going to kind of flavor this with orange. That's going to give us some nice flavor, and some ginger. So I've started by grating some ginger. I'm going to use about a tablespoon's worth. I'm also going to include some orange zest. That has lots of flavor, jam-packed. Make sure you wash your orange or whatever citrus you may want to use. That's about a teaspoon's worth of orange zest. Now, let's juice this orange. This is going to give us a little more body to our vinaigrette, and more flavor as well. And it's going to be the sweetness that we're going to add. I'm using about half of an orange, and I'm also going to add the pulp. I like pulp. I'm also going to use a little bit of apple cider vinegar. This is allowed on pretty much every diet. If you wanted to add a little bit of fresh garlic, feel free to do that. Not everyone in my household likes garlic. I do, and it's beautiful in vinaigrette, so you feel free to add that. Again, I'm going to add some freshly cracked black pepper. If you're on the AIP diet and you haven't reintroduced that into your diet yet, exclude it. You could always use some wasabi greens and mince that up nicely in there. That would give you a nice spicy and peppery flavor. Some people rely on mustard to give that beautiful flavor, that spiciness. However, on the AIP diet, you can't have seeds. So tonight we're not using that as an emulsifier. We're also not using honey because that's not usable on some diets as well. Tonight I'm going to use a little bit of tiger nuts flour. And that's right here, organic tiger nuts flour. And that should help emulsify this mixture a little bit better. Emulsification just means you are helping the oil and vinegar to stick together. That's about 1/4 teaspoon. I'm also going to add some sea salt. If you're eliminating salt out of your diet, keep that out of the recipe. And now we're just going to drizzle the tiger nuts oil and mix it to a great consistency. 3 parts oil to 1 part of your tang or vinegar. Is a gorgeous vinaigrette. Lovely, and it's staying together very nicely using the tiger nuts flour as the emulsifier. Cool trick. So you could add some fresh herbs to this if you wanted to. Make sure you do a quick taste test so that it's seasoned well. That's good. The orange really pops out, and so does the ginger, and it would be perfect for any kind of Asian style salad. So that's it, a basic tiger nuts vinaigrette. You can do it too. You can mix and match your vinegars and your flavors according to whatever you want to use it for. You could even use this as a marinade for your meat. So dress your salad in the large bowl or in your own personal bowl. That way you can control things. And let's toss it. Of course, we need to try it. This vinaigrette is a beautiful color. The tiger nuts oil has a gorgeous hue to it as well. That's a good balance of tang. Feels good in your mouth. It coats your lettuce, and it stayed together very nicely using that little bit of flour. Look at how it coats the lettuce. That's exactly what you want. That's how you make a basic tiger nuts vinaigrette. You can do it too. Make sure you check out tigernutsusa.com for all of their fabulous tiger nuts products, especially this oil. It's awesome. Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim E with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. Check out my instagram.com/webchef of all trades. You can find my shows on youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly and on Hideout TV. Look for Cooking with Kimberly. Come to my website at cookingwithkimberly.com. Interact with us and subscribe and let us know what's going on in your culinary world, all right? Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye.